Need a website but not sure which builder to choose? Today we're breaking down Weebly, Wix, and Card in a quick video to help you decide. First up, Wix. Launched in 2006, Wix is a versatile drag-and-drop builder with over 800 templates. It's perfect for small businesses, blogs, or online stores offering robust e-commerce tools, AI-powered design, and extensive customization. Plans start at around $17 per month with a free option that includes ads. Next, we have Weebly. Founded in 2007 and owned by Square, Weebly is beginner-friendly with a single drag-and-drop editor and 50-plus templates. It shines for small businesses needing affordable e-commerce. Plans start at just $10 per month, and the free plan supports basic selling. Finally, we have Card. This lightweight platform focuses on single-page websites, ideal for portfolios, landing pages, or personal profiles. With over 75 templates and a super affordable $19 per year plan, it's great for quick, minimalist sites but lacks advanced features. So, how do they stack up? Wix wins for flexibility and features, making it ideal for complex websites or growing businesses. Weebly is the budget-friendly pick for small businesses, especially with e-commerce needs. Card is best for simple one-page sites on a tight budget. If you want creative control, go with Wix. Need affordable selling? Choose Weebly. For a quick, sleek, single-page site, Card's your match. That's it, guys. Check out Wix, Weebly, or Card to start building your site today. Which one's your pick? Let us know below.